I'm sure they would use this part because it's more of trying to be like, you know.
Trying to be what?
No, because I've seen this Tagalog film, you know, Ann Curtis and Sam Milby, and then Ann Curtis is Miss in the pageant, and then she was asked.
Hindi ko hotel ko an. Sa girl? Tatay 60 days. Bakit na 60 days? Alam mo ba girl, na-close yung school namin? Just
As in
yesterday.
proper close?
Hindi, unappeal ate.
Oh, he's trying to defend because he's a faculty of the school.
Pero nag-appeal na siya.
Appeal na.
Pero isn't it, it's the payment, can you refund?
Thank you very much.
Can you refund it?
Thank you for the question.
Thank you for the question, yeah.
Yeah.
So it means that you cannot
No,
refund.
thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's so, that's not nice.
Correct.
Kamu ra bigyan akong pinipanahugan.
Considering that they made other people go home
Oh,
because
basta
they
magsabot
complained to
ka
the
na.
nursing
Sige,
home
buhat
and
po
then
ninyo.
just
Sa
now
Rizal
they're...
po, mapil ta na.
Oh, they're close.
Oh dear. See, did you review seriously?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Nabungon, nakuha na talaga ako sa lisin eh. Parang nakasleep ako.
Okay, I won't talk.
But I'll take again.
Yeah, that's the attitude.
Try until you die.
Akala ko ikaw nga.
No girl.
Hindi ako nakaulit eh.
Pagpasok mo, galing ka sa labas na ako.
Ganun na pala.
Okay, kuha ng coffee o brown.
May coffee.
We have a map.
Ano mo makeup po dun na?
Ito sa pinakita mo sa akin eh. O ikaw, gusto mo.
Saan
Pag
yun?
nagtitanong kang opinion. Narinig ang boses ko.
Kasi pa-fine sa naong girl. Blazer.
Liha.
Liha, no?
Oh.
Mahal ka paliha.
Saan mo mag-i-edit sila?
210 per session, girl. 6 session.
Pila?
210.
Sure eh.
Blazer.
Blazer sa? No.
No.
Para mo fight. Ano nga pala? Uy, muli ba yung pala?
Subsequently, you had a sort of falling out, and Miss Rodriguez decided not to pay for the computer.
No.
Want her to pay for it. Finished paying. She had started to pay for it. She had made a couple of payments.
O, Pet, magsaseta ka ulit. O, anong meron ngayon?
She made it down.
Well, pag talat English.
Hindi, Tagalog na to.
Okay.
Pilipino.
Ngayon, nagpe-prepare ako for the makeup dahil sasali ako sa Miss T-Girl pageant sa Birmingham. And I'm so excited because this was the first T-Girl ever they made here in Birmingham.
T-girl.
T-Girl.
As in T, capital T.
Capital T, small letter girl.
Anong ibig sabihin ng T-girl?
Tiger.
Transgender.
Oh, okay. So, ito yung first time dito sa Birmingham.
Yep.
Pero, matagal na ba tong... Paano mo naman nalaman tong competition na to?
Ito yung first time. Last year, ang title ng show nila is Miss Amazing T-Girl. Ngayon, Miss T-Girl.
Okay.
Iba-iba, pero iba-ibang organizer.
So, paano mo naman nalaman tong competition na to?
Actually, nalaman ko itong competition na may Miss T-Girl dahil nag-show ako sa From, which is, ano ba yung South Park ba yan, From? Basta yung malapit sa London, yung kaibigan ko. Tapos nakita kami doon, sabi niya, kung gusto ko daw sumali ng mga pageant, then nag-perform ako doon at nagustuhan niya yung performance ko. So, binigay niya sa akin ang email, tapos nag-email ako with my photos. Then, I received a reply with the organizer na tanggap na ako.
Okay. So, dahil na-distract ako doon para lang alam ko.
Okay.
Paano mo nalaman ulit? No, see, I'm just repeating because I didn't understand what he said.
When I've been there. And really the most dangerous thing is things falling off buildings, you know. That's dangerous. It's dangerous being out because things can fall down off buildings. Yeah.
No, I finished.
You finished?
I just recently graduated.
Oh, right.
So, did you see already? That was my graduation project. The one,
Was it?
you know, my
The school here?
documentary. Not here.
You know, the one I showed you, Peter, the video, the movie.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's not yet finished, actually.
Oh, never mind. I'm gonna eat something.
Look at this shot. Come on, look at this shot.
How about my makeup choice? Alright.
That's not, yeah, looks better na. So, yung ganyang pagsali, Pet, ginastusan mo siya talaga sa
Oo.
wig or meron ka ba talagang mga dala niyan pagpunta
Hindi,
mo dito abroad?
ginastusan ko talaga. Bago ito lahat.
Pero pagpunta mo dito sa UK, meron ka bang mga talaga?
Usually, ito lahat ito is kwanto ka na gang. Bago, dito na ito lahat. Bumibili ako ng mga gamit dito na lahat. Dahil, kapag may pera ka na, di ba, mabibili mo kung anong gusto mo sa Pilipinas, hindi mo bibili. Tapos mas mga signature dito, tapos affordable lang.
Okay. Mas gusto mo ba na ganyan, nadadamit ka ng ganyan o pag may mga okasyon lang?
Kung may okasyon lang, hindi ako usually nagdadamit. Dahil nagkagalit kasi siya eh.
Pero never mo bang naisip naman na maging babae talaga, magpalit ng...
Hindi, no, wala. Wala sa isip ko. Wala akong
Famous sentence.
wala akong planong pagkatotoong babae. Ito lang for show, tapos para sa pera.
Oh, really?
I'll just go for a wait.
He said she has to intervene in our language.
Ito, mga yan, yung wig mo, makeup mo, binili mo ba yan?
Oo, binili ko to lahat. Yung mga wig ko, yung mga makeup, mga damit dito. Dito na to lahat. Binili ko.
Ano yung sinabi mo? Kasi dito.
Kasi sa Pilipinas kasi, di ba, yung baka mag-excess baggage ako. So, yung mga gamit ko sa Pilipinas na pang show, iniwan ko. So, pagdating ko dito, nakita ko na mas maganda yung mga materials dito at saka mas mura. Saka affordable. Tapos signature ang mga materials dito, tapos maka-afford mo dahil may trabaho ka na.
Okay. Pero sa Pilipinas, may dinala ka din mga gamit mo, like yung panggupit?
Oo, may dinala ako mga panggupet at saka ibang mga makeup galing sa Pilipinas. Pero hindi lahat yung...
Bakit ka nagdala ng panggupit? Kasi naisip mo habang...
Oo,
bata
kasi
ba?
nagdala ko ng mga panggupet dahil naisip ko kasi na marami mga Pinay dito. So, at saka marunong ako manggupet kung magpapagupit sila. So, at least extra money.
Gusto mo ba yung itsura mo na yan? O gusto naisip mo ba maging babae ka?
No, ito for show lang, pero daily hindi talaga ako nagkaganito dahil mas iba pa din yung comfortable ka sa kung ano ka.
So, hindi mo naman naisip magpa-change
Hindi.
or...
Wala akong mind na magpa-change anything.
Okay?